Dashboards are a great way to save you time and keep everything organized in the way you want. They are amazing to track maybe a certain product or to prepare for a meeting or even get all the figures together for that tough audit that you're going to get. Why they're great? Well, they're totally customizable and they save all of the inputs you put into there, making sure you don't need to search or reconfigure whenever you return to Vesper. There's two ways to build dashboards. One is through the search function. In here, you can select a product. In this case, let's take WPI, and you can select a region then, and it's going to allow you to save it as a new dashboard over here, which you can then name and will be saved to your left bar. Another way to do it is to build a new workspace here, select the widgets that you want to have. For instance, some more production volumes to include, some import-export data. Maybe even you want to include all of the forecasting widgets. You give it a name, and then you save it, and you'll see it in your left bar. Whenever you input a new figure into here, for instance, I add a new price to the pricing widget, it will always save this, and whenever I return, you can easily find it whatever way you left it. You can also edit to add more or to delete widgets from your dashboard and save it in whatever way you'd like to have.